This is Rod Kusin, Spooman for Risk on October 28th, 2009. We're going to continue our discussion of the use of the Detrended Price Oscillator, the DPO, and we're going to focus on the VIX. Now, today gave you many opportunities to short this market. And we're going to show you in this video just where the DPO focused on shorting the Spoos. Now, we're not showing you the Spoos on this particular chart. We're just showing you the VIX, and we're showing the VIX on a 3-tick chart so that we can more easily illustrate to you these particular times when the DPO gave you a beautiful opportunity to short the market. We're going to go into the middle of the morning to see this. Now, the DPO, as plotted here, as we've explained in previous videos, shows up as a color gradient that ranges from dark magenta to yellow, and a gradient in between. The VIX, as you know, moves as an inverse relationship to the Spoos. So if the VIX is going up, the Spoos are going down. Now look at the DPO. The DPO, of course, is very low right here, all right, at 1028. And the color is very dark. It's a dark magenta at that point. It's also a dark magenta in here at around 1217. And then once again over here at 1352. Now it's also a magenta color right in here as well. Okay, but now here's the point. Trying to figure out exactly where to short based on the color gradient is very difficult. But what we have done is we've created a version of the DPO. We call it the RSK DPO. And this oscillator will give you a numeric value of the colors. And as we've mentioned in our other videos, the range of these colors is confined. It ranges from a low of about 65,000 to a high of over 16 million, 16.7 million more correctly. Today, the DPO hit its maximum high range of 16 million several times after 10 o'clock. We're going to show you that information in just a moment. But bear in mind that the DPO, when it goes into its highest color, is actually down in the color of dark magenta. This is associated with 16 million, whereas this is associated with 65,000. So if we're looking to short the market today, we want to be hitting 16 million or better, up to 16.7 million. In order for you to know that, you've got to have an indicator that shows you what the actual color level is of the VIX. And here it is. Here it shows you the color level in the print log. Now let's take a look at the number of instances where this in fact occurs. And we're going to show you where this occurs on the ES. Everywhere you see an arrow appear is where the DPO reached 16.7 million, giving you very specific opportunities to short. So again, this color level is associated with the VIX DPO. And the first time it reaches 16 million, 16.7 million to be precise, is right here at 1028, corresponding with this arrow. Then again, it happens a little bit later, right in here. 1048, 1049, that's right here. And then once again, at around 1104, 1105. That corresponds with here. Beautiful opportunities to short the market. Now let's go a little bit further on. Past 12 o'clock, and the first time you see it hit 16.7 million is at 12:13. All right? So that's right in here. Now the Spoos continued to climb, I'll grant you. But right on up to 12:16, 12:17, all right, we were hitting that high figure of 16.7 million. Plenty of opportunities to short the market. You might have needed a little bit of a stop there, but the Spoos really didn't move much from 1050 all the way up to 1051.75, not even 2 points. The next time it hit 16 million, right here. Now it doesn't go quite to 16.7, but it just goes over 16 million at 116, which is right here. That's off just a bit, right there. There's your opportunity to short. And then the last time is right here at 1450. We'll scroll all the way there. Right in here. Okay? 1:51 p.m. Those were the only times that the DPO value actually hit its maximum level of over 16 million. And these are the places on the Spoos where it did that. Beautiful opportunities to short the market. Very difficult to read on just the DPO alone, but that's why we created this special edition of the DPO, which we're making available via our website at RSKsys.com. Now, you're going to need to give that a couple of days. Today is the 28th. We haven't actually got it up available for download just yet, but we should have it by next week at the latest. But bear in mind, this is a great indicator. It's free of charge to you. Just come to our website. We'll be happy to give you a copy. And no question about it, it's going to help you to improve your trading experience. This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk.